young people all over the world continue building a future, postpone the end of the world, and dream.
Young people today are not just witnesses to the climate crisis, we are its inheritors. And we refuse to inherit a planet that's destroyed.
When you're talking about climate, when you're talking about energy transition, and when we're talking about yourselves, but you do have to believe that you can change lives, change organizations, change the world.
Work together, to cooperate together, to think together about what we are doing today so that we are going to have a future. And I think this is the spirit that moves this Global Youth Climate Summit.
The climate crisis really requires coordinated action across all sectors of society. Everybody has to be in it to take sort of local initiatives and be able to scale to take effective action.
It's important to understand that young persons, they have power in their actions, they have power in their energy, they have power in their ideas and innovation. We bring perspectives that other persons don't have because we are not yet conformed to the system. And so when you're thinking about what can I bring to the table as a young person, understand that you have power.
No blue, no green. No water, no life.
Sustainability is not a burden. It's an opportunity for us.
The future is now. You have to get yourself involved. So you just have to take action.
The collective agenda of this room is to make progress towards a sustainable, livable planet.
I really wanted to explore this issue through the lens of South America and explore what youth here are saying and thinking about climate change, the different ways in which they're thinking of solutions and strategies to alleviate this crisis.
It's pretty much a commitment that I have towards my future, because the future is all of us and the future is now. And what I mean by future is the future of our planet.
Imagine you're walking in a square or something, you're seeing beautiful butterflies and pollinators pollinating the plants we have. That's something we should spread throughout the planet and bring it much closer.
Eu não poderia deixar de reforçar o meu apoio à presença e à voz da ativista indígena Rayane Chipaya, que está aqui.
E ali foi decidido que nós deveríamos ultrapassar o 5 de temperatura da Terra. Ali foi decidido que nós deveríamos viabilizar os meios de implementação.
The ballot is on to Youth Climate Declaration is a global call to action from young leaders, rooted in the urgent themes of education, biodiversity, and a just transition. We demand transformative, inclusive, and accountable climate action.
It is clear that young people are not just the future, they are the present and must bravely take on their roles as leaders and protagonists in their communities, businesses, and government sectors. They are the key to implementing policies and private initiatives that combat the effects of climate change and promote sustainable development, ensuring environmental protection.